You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartaches.
It's your boy Rico the Waver, and today we're gonna be getting in a little session for y'all, man. A little 30-minute session. Just basically hitting on my connections and doing all that. Cause normally in my tutorials, y'all don't really get to, have a good actual brush sessions with me where y'all can sit and, watch my videos, get a good brush session in with me and feel like y'all a part of it. You feel me? So I want y'all to feel more like y'all a part of the video by getting y'all, this gonna be dedicated just to brush sessions, you feel me? Just so y'all can always come back and watch this whenever, I can't upload at the time, or if I ain't uploaded another brush session, y'all can come back and watch this one and get a brush session in on this video. So without further ado, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe. Go share this with your friend right now so he can hop on this session too. Y'all can be watching it at the same time, you feel me? Get a session in. Both be working on your connections, a little friendly competition. You never know. Alright, so we just gonna get right into the session, man. Enough talking, enough said. We're gonna unrag. I'm just, do my little speed and speed it up, slow it down, get the brush session in. Y'all just keep up, man. See if you can keep up. Alright, y'all, so before I come out the rag, I just want to let y'all know a lot of things are gonna be out of place. Obviously, because we had a do-rag on all day, or however, no matter what, things are gonna be out of place. That's just how it is. That's just how it is when you sleep, but you wake up and you fix that. You don't fix it, your way it's gonna be out of place forever. They're gonna create new forks. That's how you get rid of forks, because you taking that do-rag off every day and brushing. You don't leave a do-rag on. If you have a do-rag on for more than a day, or any reason for you to ever have your do-rag, you should have your do-rag off majority of the time and then be brushing. The only time you do-rag off is when you brushing or you out and about and you better be brushing. You better be, come on now, don't slack on the game. I don't care where you at. I have that brush on you, man. Alright, so I know I said I was gonna stop talking, but we finna just throw some of this little spray in our head. It's an olive oil just to keep your hair moisturized, and so it won't be so dry when we get in a brush session in, because we have been ragged up. Well, I've been ragged up. I don't know if y'all have been. Y'all probably already started brushing, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this in my head, and I'm gonna just follow on with the session. Alright, now for the last part, y'all, you want to get your plastic bag and lay down them frizzy hairs, because obviously you either woofing or you either entering your woofing stages, or you just want to lay down them frizzy hairs and make your hair look a little bit more crispier when you throw that do-rag on after getting a brush session in and unrag. Because when you unrag that next time, your hair gonna be laid, it's gonna be dipping, you're gonna see new connections. As long as you're doing this method back to back, it's not really even a method, man. It's just a daily routine of a session. Just as long as you daily session, getting your daily sessions in, your waves will change. Nothing's gonna change your waves but a brush. I don't care what nobody tell you or anything, some product, some this or that, buy this, buy that. Nothing's gonna change it but a brush. I don't care if the brush was off brand. I don't care if the brush was name brand. A brush is finna do that. So we finna plastic bag to lay down them frizzy hairs. If y'all ain't know what it was, you know what it is. Alright, as you can see, my hair is pretty much laid from after using the plastic bag. You know? Feel me? Pretty much laid and flayed, you know? Alright, now what you want to do, you know? Get that plastic bag up out of there like we always do. Get that out of there. Feel me? Now you want to grab your do-rag and lock them bad boys in. It's like saving the progress on the video game, man. Alright, y'all, so that was my little brush session with y'all, man. Like I said, y'all can run this back and play it back and forth and just get brush sessions in when you feeling like, even if I uploaded a tutorial and y'all feel like, damn, I need to get a quick brush session in, but I don't got the motivation. Come to this video right here. This is where you're gonna get your motivation from. I know I sound like a car commercial or something like that, but you know, come right here, get y'all motivation, get y'all brush session. You know, some of y'all hair texture may be just like mine. You might want to just brush just like me. But anyway, get a video a like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, as y'all should have did already. Anyway, this your boy Rico the Waver. I'm out. Stay tuned for more heat. Gang.